now we're going to do a scan of a vehicle live. So all you simply have to do is, once connected, is choose the connector inside the cab of the vehicle. Now once you select that picture, then the software sometimes can ask a question, sometimes depending on if someone did this before, if it asks or not. So the first time you ever open up your software, it'll ask for a system scan or system scan with fault code reading. Now you can have the option to where it asks this every time if you choose. If you want it to do a system scan with fault code reading every time, all you do is select that and then check this box. And that will remember that decision, and then it will just do the system scan from that point on. And then you go to proceed. And this will scan and look for all of the systems automatically, and then it will go back in afterwards and read the fault codes. And that's what we're doing here. So here's what I like to call the roll call. So you have your engine, transmission, ABS, body controllers, and every other system on there. And what this is doing now is going back after the systems are identified, and it's looking for all the fault codes in each one of those systems. So it'll run down through here and pop all of those in. And then once it's finished, you will see this. It's complete, and then you're free to go on with what you were doing.